River. Yeah, very dangerous. Hey! Boys, yeah, they like swimming, and you can see they like swimming. Hey, hata mimi nitavukia hapo. River is very nice river. Yeah, very amazing river is here. Yeah, so kind of guys, me too, I want to swim like them. I want to show them that I'm very dangerous too. Yeah. Yeah, so kindly guys, today I have met the boys here. The boys they really enjoying swimming. And they are very amazing. Even me, I'm amazing. I'm happy to meet these boys, young boys, but they have experience of water. Let's go. Stay tuned, guys. This is nature. We call it natural. Look there, the waterfall. Wow. Oh, this is where now I'm going to swim. In fact, it's a very huge swimming pool. Hadi ya kijaa mnaweza ogelea hapa. Ya kijaa yapita hapa. Hapa. Guys, show them. Waonyeshe watu walikuwa wanaogelea huko. Wewe unaweza ficha hivi. Wewe ficha tu hivi. Shikilia hivi. Ona. Pause. Boys, I've met here, so we want to swim together with him. I want them to show me how they are swimming in this natural swimming pool. And the water is looking like gold. Imagine it's safi kweli. Guys, look this natural swimming pool. As you can see over there, that is a stone. That is a hill of Stone Hill. Yeah. Look, very amazing. And over here, you can see how it looks like. And there is other people over there, guys. Yeah, other ones are over there. Oh my God. Very amazing. Very amazing. Very amazing one. Very amazing. Yeah, okay, you can play. You have already played. Okay, okay, you can come and play. So guys, I have reached the point. I have reached the point. Nataka niwaonyeshe vile mimi mnoma. Mimi kwanza napanda na hiyo maji. Yeah, so you know, I have come with eggs, but I never expect that nitapata watu wengi hivyo. Ningejua ningepata watu ningechukua chakula ya kutosha tukule wote, sio? So because nilichukua kidogo, we are going to eat only us. But we will eat when we are going home. Yeah, don't need to eat. So thank you guys. Look how this nature is very amazing. The nature is very, very, very amazing. And we are here just enjoying the nature. No dangerous animal in this swimming pool, but it's dangerous, very deep. Maybe we can find what we call reptilia. Yeah, those animals which really live inside the water. It's my first time to come in this river, so kindly stay tuned. Watch the video till the end. The video is very, very, very amazing. Big up. Stay tuned. Good. Good. Ora. Hapo ndo pafu. Ay, 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 ay. It's very deep. I didn't know. Hey. Toa. Yo, toa tuogere. So guys, we are preparing to wash ourselves. We are preparing to swim together. Waterfall.
I want to try.
You want to try?
I want to try.
Yeah, we have to try, all of us. You know, mimi pia ni kama samaki. Naenda. Kwenda hapo mbele ni parefu sana. Yeah, guys. Let's swim together. Mpaka tuashe. Lakini ile lokosi mimi sijaipenda. I don't like. Cha tuashe. Harakisha bro. Kwani unatoa kamba zote za viatu? Guys, very amazing. He removing all of it from the shoes. Yeah. I'm here with the big boys today. Big boys, what's your name? Unaitwa nani?
Brayo.
Oh, Brayo, nilikuwa na wewe.
Yeah.
There is another video that you ulionekananga.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have these boys here. Big boys. Yeah, man, we want just to enjoy together. I have some boy here. Where boys? And I'll get there, bwana. Yani wao wanafurahia tu. They are enjoying water. You know, I'm called myself water boy, but this one is water boy. They really like water. Twende. Guys, you know, waterfall here is very amazing. There's a river in Machakos. Guys, we have here swimming babies. Boys, these are boys, they are swimming. Why metosha? Si ungepewi?
Nikitoka mtoni ndio nichapa dea. Watu kichapa yote kutoka huko unajua bombarini.
Wenyewe.
Chapa hii chapa.
Na zangu ziko? Oh. Vijana wa maji, vijana wa maji. Leo ndo nimepatana vijana wanapenda maji. Mnaruka huko? Hata hiyo ni dangerous.
Na kijana mwenye uniambia tukuje na yeye, mwenye uniambia kama hataki maji. Esko umeenda na yeye kuoga?
Hakuoga. This face here for Jamaican Boy Africa. Please kindly subscribe, like the video, enjoy watching the video till the end. I'm here, in Athi River. So just enjoying the waterfall, very amazing waterfall. Last day to come in this river, in this waterfall. So kindly I'm promising you that this might be my first episode. So I'm promising you to do more than 5 episodes in this waterfall here in this river, because I have really enjoyed. And if you have really enjoyed too, please kindly tell me if you have really enjoyed. You can just tell me there in a comment. If you have really enjoyed. We are here just enjoying this deep swimming pool of Africa. Deep swimming pool, amazing one in Africa, guys. Wallahi. Bro, wallahi kama huwezi swim usiingia. Huwezi simama. Sema mimi nimefanyanga practice kwa waterfall mingi. Unaona hata mimi nikianza hapa siku 2-3 naweza ruka kutoka huko juu. Niliwamulika mkiruka.
Ile side ni watu wengine.
Ile side ni watu wengine?
Wale wanaongeaga design fulani.
Wale wanaongeleanga tena kivyao.
Wale wanaongea design fulani ya vile wanangi, kuna matatu mengine wanangi. Wale
lugha yao ni nyingine.
Kuna vitu tunatumia na wanatumia nyingine.
Mmoja lakini wanadoloka.
Wanaongea hivyo vile.
Wanadoloka.
Design fulani. Wanafanya kabisa.
Na gabi.
Tata. But your water is language moja, but different talking. The different. Guys, so thank you for watching Jamaican Boy Africa. Kindly big up, guys. We love it. You have just enjoyed watching our video. Thank you very much for watching, and everything is nice. Leta hiyo mayai hao vijana wakule. Wapetu watakula wawili hawa wenye tumekaa nao hapa. Wenye tuko hapa nao. Zitoe, zilete hapa karibu utoe kwa kamera.
Kisi mikinza.
Yo, man.
Wawili. Huyo na huyo wewe na huyo na huyo. Si nyinyi wenye tulikuwa nao hapa. Ulikuwa hapa, haya kuleni watatu basi.
Magenda. Modera.
This Maya is very dumb.
Yeah, they are eating egg, guys. We come with the egg of snake. Mmeikula mayai ya nyoka? Ndio hiyo sasa. The snake egg. Yeah, but not a snake egg, guys. There's a hen eggs. The broiler eggs. Yeah. Mnakula mayai ya nyoka?
Hapana.
Ni tamu?
Hapana.
Mpaka kichwa nasikia na sijaogelea sana kama hawa. Tupe hiyo mafuta tujipake hapo kwa bag.
Oganga yesi mtu.
Mora kwande.